Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, just a quick reminder for all my viewers watching, and that is guys, if you guys have not joined the Telegram group chat guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join, link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. Now let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we are currently sitting at $1.52 trillion. We're down 6.4% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 43.6%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing a lot of red across the board, especially in the last 24 hours, as you guys can see, and that is mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin has seen a quite significant drop towards the downside that we were anticipating. If you did watch my videos, the last two videos specifically, we were anticipating this kind of drop if we were unable to close above $38,000. We will get into Bitcoin charts later on in this video, but today I want to look further into Cardano. Alright, my Cardano family, if we are looking at Cardano prices right now, we're currently trading at $1.39. We're down 5.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we are up 0.7% in BTC comparative in just the last 24 hours. Cardano's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 5th spot. Market cap right now is $44.63 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $2.67 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture for Cardano, guys, in just the last year alone, let's not forget we're still up 1,569%. Despite the fact that we are seeing a lot of uncertainty in the markets, being a little bit bearish for the last month, still guys, Cardano is still by far one of the, if not the top two best performing crypto assets this bull cycle. So let's not forget that when we are looking at the charts and the prices for Cardano. But now let's deep dive into the charts and see what's exactly going on with Cardano and where we could be headed in the immediate short term. So right off the bat, as you guys can see, we are trading at $1.39 and we're in the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. We were unable to hold above this level of support. You guys know how crucial this level of support for Cardano is. I have been mentioning this since the existence of this channel, and since we were able to break this level when it used to be resistance for us. Since then, guys, this has played out as a crucial level of support for Cardano. And obviously, if you guys did go watch my videos, especially my last two videos, I did mention that there are some things going on around the markets that could cause Bitcoin to fall towards the downside. And we did see Bitcoin go towards the downside. And obviously, you guys know what happens when Bitcoin goes down. The entire altcoin market does tend to follow. But this time, altcoins are falling even harder due to the fact that BTC dominance is on the higher end that we need to be monitoring very closely as well. As you guys can see, BTC dominance is still above 45%, and that means majority of the money is in Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin goes down, altcoins even fall further down, and when Bitcoin goes towards the upside, we're still lagging behind Bitcoin rather than outperforming it. So this is a very very good indicator that we need to keep in mind when we are looking at the altcoins as well. So obviously, this level of support was unable to hold, and since then, guys, we have seen a drop of we, as of recording this video, we have seen almost 8% drop from here towards the downside, and that's happening not only with Cardano, that's happening with the entire cryptocurrency markets right now. So now you may be asking yourself, Crypto ZX, what is going on with Cardano and where are we headed in the immediate short term? So as you guys can see, you know what, let me zoom this out for you guys so we can get a better understanding as to what exactly is going on. So as you guys can see, the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level is a very strong level of support for Cardano, and we can go all the way back to around, as you guys can see, yeah, almost a month ago, guys. This has been playing as a level of support for us for quite a while, as you guys can see. Obviously, these wicks towards the downside don't really count because these are wicks and they don't last very long. But as you guys can see, guys, we have been supported by this level 61.8 quite a while, as you guys can see here as well, here as well, here as well. You guys get the picture as to how important this is. And right now, we did come down, literally almost touch this level of support, and have bounced back up since then. So you guys get the picture as to how important this level of support really is for Cardano around the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. Now comes the question, what can we see in the next coming day or so? So you know what, let's look at Bitcoin charts and then we will come and make a conclusion as to what could possibly happen. So as you guys can see right off the bat, we are looking at the Bitcoin charts, and one thing I'm going to point out right away for you guys is we are below this level of support around this $36,200 mark. If you're a regular viewer on my channel, you guys know how important this level of support for Bitcoin initially is, and right now we are below it. But one thing I want to point out for you guys is that we do have a lot of support within this range, as you guys can see. So what I personally would like for Bitcoin to do is close above $36,200 mark. And let's not forget, guys, today is a weekend. It's the weekend somewhere around the world. Obviously in North America it's Friday right now, but we are approaching the weekends, and you guys know around then weekends tend to be the most manipulation in cryptocurrencies because CME futures are closed. So I do take Bitcoin price action towards the downside with a grain of salt when that does happen. But one thing I want to point out to you guys is that we obviously have the DXY index going towards the upside because interest rates are projected to be going higher back in in 2023, causing all these assets, including cryptocurrencies, the stock market, gold, silver, bonds, everything is correlated with the DXY. So when the DXY goes towards the upside, as I have mentioned in my previous video, obviously these markets tend to go towards the downside. So we're seeing that also play out right now. But I believe a Bitcoin won't be affected long term with that, because at the end of the day, Bitcoin is solving that inflation problem, because you can hedge against inflation with cryptocurrencies, and that's why we're seeing so much institutional interest coming into the space. But as of now, guys, obviously, as I mentioned, weekend is approaching, so we do need to keep this in mind. We could possibly go towards the downside. But as you guys can see, one thing I want to point out for you guys is last week bears were unable to take the price of BTC down below $34,532 level, guys. And since then, we have been creating higher lows, as you guys can see. So if Bitcoin can create another higher low around this week, that's an even more bullish indicator as of now. But we have broken below that $38,800 mark, because that is, for me, the last sort of bullish price target. And if we go below it, I am on the bearish, side of the spectrum. But right now, like I said, I don't take this kind of move very seriously, because obviously CME futures are closed, and we do tend to see more manipulation occur around the weekend. So we will see what happens in the next coming day or so, especially when the weekend is over, and then we will see what happens. But we could expect some more downwards momentum to occur, because right now we are below $36,300 mark. I'm sorry, $200 mark, and there is definitely a possibility for us to fall back down to here. Obviously, you guys know this is the last life support for Bitcoin, in my personal opinion, and if we are able to break below it and we do not bounce back above $31,000, guys, then things could start looking ugly, and this could be a drop that no one's anticipating. But again, you guys know we have to be prepared. Markets can be manipulated, and we never know what can happen. But as long as you have done your due diligence and research and have invested where you can afford to lose, I always say that, guys, holding would be your best strategy, and patience is your number one key. So now comes the question, what will happen with Cardano? So if we do break above, as you guys can, we do break above $46,200 level and do move up, $36,200 level, and do move up towards the upside, gradually. I would not be surprised if we do get back above this level of right now it's going to play as resistance obviously, and get back above it and possibly get back into that 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level as well. But we were unable to do that even though we did see BTC go to 41k. But again, that is due to the fact that BTC dominance is high. So obviously we need BTC dominance to fall towards the downside if we want to see some sort of parabolic type of run to for Cardano and other altcoins. So we need to keep that in mind. The bearish scenario obviously would be us breaking below this level of support. And if we're unable to close above this, guys, above the 61.8, then 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level is open door for us right off the bat. Then, like, this is an open door, and we could possibly see the prices fall towards the downside, especially if Bitcoin were to go more lower around the weekend. So we have to be prepared for that, guys. So I'm just putting that out there for you guys right now. Going on staking rewards, guys, I love sharing this with you guys, and you guys can see our total amount of staked value is increasing as days go by. 74.17% now, guys, of the total circulation supply of Cardano is being staked right now. This gets me super bullish, guys. You guys know, especially my regular followers, I'm not here for the short-term price gains for Cardano. I'm not here for that at all. I'm here for the long term, guys. I see the long term vision, and as this number grows, this shows how much people are optimistic on Cardano. They are looking, aside from this bull run, they are looking at the long term picture. They see what Cardano is solving, and they could see it being by far one of the biggest, if not the biggest, blockchain in the next 3 to 5 years if they continue doing what they are doing. Obviously, ETH 2.0 possibly could come out and fix their scalability issue, which I highly doubt they're gonna do. We have been hearing this for the longest time, but if we do bring the tech versus compared to tech, Cardano versus Ethereum, I have mentioned this for quite a while. Cardano is so much more superior than Ethereum and majority of the other blockchains. Obviously, some other blockchains have their own key feature, but Cardano is the most superior in my personal opinion, and they are expanding exponentially, and that's why we're seeing so much institutional interest coming in, retail interest coming in, and we are seeing a lot of people just staking their ADA because they're in for the long haul. They're just compounding their gains and just earning passive income off it because they see the vision. And as I have mentioned to you guys, long term, guys, you cannot put a price on Cardano. And as this value gets bigger, guys, and when we do see markets go towards the upside, you will see Cardano go up very fast compared to other altcoins. And we're already starting to see that as well, because obviously less coins on the exchanges due to the fact that there's so much percentage of the circulation supply being staked. Obviously that does create a supply shock, which can create the prices to go towards the upside very, very fast. And I'm very, very bullish on this project, and obviously patience is very much needed. But let me know in the comment section below where you guys could see Cardano go at the end of this month. I would love to know your thoughts down below, and tell me what you are doing right now. Are you guys buying up more Cardano? Are you guys accumulating? What are you guys doing? What's your game plan? And please, guys, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This does help my channel grow a lot. It helps the YouTube algorithm push my videos, so your support would be greatly, greatly appreciated, guys. And thank you so much for all the support, especially from my regular viewers. I do this exactly for you guys, and I love all of you guys. From the bottom of my heart, thank you once again for all the support that you guys show me, and stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. And with that being said, guys, I think I am going to wrap up today's video around here. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.